सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्ये सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सिद्धिर् okay. In last class, actually we have started 28th lesson, and there we had completed even Sanskrit sentences. We were actually doing English one. But again, we'll go through words and then we will continue with English sentences today. Anujna, permission. Priyaha, it is a adjective. We will be declining all three genders. Disliked. Arjunaha, name of one of the son of Pandu. Alanghaniyaha cannot be or the cannot be transgressed. Alam is enough. A vastu is not a real thing. Then Varopaha as ascribing something that which is not real. Other respect Arop ascribing Aryaha respected person. Icha wish Hindu the mood. Utkanta anxiety or the longing. Utsaha happiness, cheerfulness or energy. Karnaha name of one hero. Kalankaha stain, a spot. Karunyam compassion or the kindness. Kuruhu is a masculine word, so name of one country also, and it is always in plural. Kritajnata gratitude. Krupa a favor. Jnati relation. Tanu small or little, it is adjective again. Tulaha cotton. Dvijaha one of the first three classes or caste. Naptru grandson. Nirbandha importunity. Nishitaha a sharp. Pathyam is a wholesome thing or what is wholesome. Pashuhu beast. Pataha falling or the fall. Pitruvyaha paternal uncle. Bandhuhu relation. Bharatavarshitaha a native of Bharatavarsha. Bhutaha bhutam actually creature animal. Bhratru brother. Madaha intoxication insolation. Mukhyaha chief. Mrigaha deer. Mrityuhu death. Raghu Raja Raghu. Rama name of a woman. Lakshmi wife of Vishnu goddess of wealth. Langhate or Langhayate. Actually Langhate it is Atmanipadi first conjugational transgress to overcome. Vaktu is a speaker, vastu, a thing, a real thing, varta, intelligence or news or account, vibhavaha, wealth or the riches, sorry, Vaikuntha, name of the celestial above the world of God, Shrotru, hearer, Sadhu, sage, and Srashtu, creator. So these sentences we had already seen. So let's go with again English one. Rama was the chief of the Raghus.
So I didn't have the time to do. I'm traveling. Let's try. I mean, I'll try it. So Raghu's will be sixth Shashti, right? Chief will be Pramukhaha. Raghu's Shashti. Ragha. Ukarans I don't have memorized.
Guru Nam, Tatheva, Raghu Nam.
Okay. So it will follow Guru. So Ramaha, Raghu Nam, Pramukhaha.
Mukhyaha, Pramukhaha.
Mukhyaha.
From the author.
Aham. Author will be. I don't know the word for author. Pustakam. Got as in received or?
Received, yes.
Author, can we use the word lekhak?
Yes, or karta. Pustakasya karta. Pustakart. पुस्तकम् अविन्दम् अहं लेखकात् अथवा पुस्तकस्य कर्तुः पुस्तकम् अविन्दम्. Right. Lakshmi was actually Lakshmi is the wife of Vishnu.
Lakshmi. Vishnu will be again same guru. Vishnu Nam.
एक
Patni. If sorry,
Vishnu
is
is
it wrong?
Vishnu is only one person. So षष्ठी
Oh,
विभक्ति गुरुः गुरोः तथैव
Vishnu.
गुरोः पत्नी इति. लक्ष्मीः
So there when
Vishnu
Lakshmi.
Patni. So basically in this part, Panchami, Shashti and Saptami is focused. So basically you shall know, you must know the Akaranta, Ukaranta, Rukaranta, Shabdas, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. At least for this lesson.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have to memorize it.
He begs pardon of his hearers, listeners.
Saha. Pardon. I'm not on my game today. Okay. He begs pardons. Saha. Pardon is kshama. Hearers is what? Listeners? Shrotrunam. Saha shrotrunam kshama yachate.
Past tense. Beg. Okay, he begs, right? Yachate. Sah shrotrunam kshamam yachate.
Kshamam, kshama. So shrotru will be dirghatru.
Correct. Shrot pitrunam. Actually, it is written. Let me see here what they have given. Okay, they have not. Okay. No.
Here.
Shrotrunam. Dirgha wala.
Is not.
Dirgha. Shrotrunam kshamam yachate. Janaka saw the chariot of his grandsons.
Janakaha. Grandson was, I think, Naptru. Is that correct? Naptrunam Ratham saw apashyat. Janakaha Naptrunam Ratham apashyat.
Narayana saw the horses of his son-in-law.
Narayanaha Harehe. Son-in-law is Jamatru, right? So Jamatru Nam.
Jamatru.
Hare.
Single.
Jamatru. Oh, Jamatruhu.
Jamatuhu.
Tuhu or Truhu? Jamatuhu.
Jamatuhu. Pituhu. Putru shabda. Pituhu shashti vibhakti.
Narayana. Hare Jamatuhu. Horses. Ashwan saw apashyat.
Apashyat. Aikshata. The Aryas lived in the Kurus.
Aryaha in the Kurus. Kurushu Avasan.
Arya Purushu Avasan. A parrot sat on the tree.
शुकः वृक्षे उपाविशत्.
A servant of Hari's. Okay, a servant of Hari's grandson went to the village.
Harehe grandson Naptru. A servant of Hari's grandson. So Naptru.
Shashti vibhakti of Naptrusha.
Guroho, Naptroho, right?
Not Guru. It is not a.
No, sorry, it is, okay, so Naptru. Naptuhu.
Naptuhu.
Harehe Naptuhu Bhrityaha. Bhrityaha village Gramam went Agachat. Naptuhu Bhrityaha Gramam Agachat.
Karna was the first among donors.
Datru. Datrunam Karnaha Prathamaha.
The lion is the lord of beasts.
Word. Okay. Simha, beast is Mriganam. So Lord, what word will be for Lord? Will be Devaha or Prabhu. Okay. Simha Mriganam Prabhu.
Mriganam Patihi.
Mriganam Patihi sounds better. So Prabhu can be used for God as well as, I mean, anywhere we are saying somebody is a Lord, it's Prabhu, right?
Swami Prabhu. Patihi, Mrigapatihi, matlab master of Mriga. Pashupatihi, nama Pashunam Patihi, Pashupatihi. Tathaiva, the disk of the moon increases and decreases.
Disk of the moon. Moon is Indu.
Okay, Hari is the friend of Rama's husband.
Oh, we missed the sentence. Hari is the friend of Rama's husband. Harihi, Rama's husband. Ramayaha husband Bhartuhu Mitram. Ramayaha Bhartuhu Mitram. Harihi Ramayaha Bhartuhu Mitram.
The disk of moon increases and decreases.
Indoho disk, I think, was Bimbam. Indoho Bimbam.
Bimbaha.
Acha, Bimbaha. It's not a neutral word. Bimbaha. Indoho Bimbaha Vardhate Chakshayate. Okay, Kshayate cha. So cha will always come at the end, no matter where. Okay.
Not like that. If you are using two kartas, then that will come after two kartas, like Ramaha Shamaha cha jalam pibataha. If it is coming after, if you are saying karma and like Ramaha jalam phalarasam cha pibati. So where you are using, whether you are using with karta, where you are using with karma, it depends upon karana, sampradana, etc. etc. तो क्रियापद के साथ आपने यूज किया, दो क्रियाएं हैं तो क्रियापद के अंत में आएगा. तो क्षय is the main root, but it becomes क्षीयते, वर्धते च.
वर्धते क्षीयते च.
By order of his brother Rama, Lakshmana abandoned Sita in the forest. By order of his brother Rama, Lakshmana abandoned Sita in the forest.
Of his brother Rama. Lakshmana sva भ्रातुः रामस्य आज्ञया सीतां वनं वने वने abandoned अत्यजत.
Atyajat. From the creator was born the universe.
धातुः विश्वम was born. Ajayat.
Jayate is Atmanipadi, so past tense would be Ajayata, Purnata.
Oh, sorry, Ajayata.
She obtained news of her husband.
She obtained. Husband is Bharta, right? I don't remember the news. The word for news.
Varta.
Bharta. Bhartuhu sa bhartuhu vartam alabhat alabhata.
Alabhata. Sa bhartruhu, sorry, bhartuhu vartam alabhata.
Avinash ji, 1 second, I will drive like into a parking lot and then I will join. Till then you and Prarthana ji can go on.
You take your time, जी. Okay. Relax में आप parking करिएगा. हाँ. By the strength of his arm, he conquered his enemies.
This is easy. Saha bahoho balena. Balen Areen Ajayat.
Okay. Which vibhakti you use for Bahu?
Baho ka.
Which vachanam?
Oh. But 2 Bahus, right? So Bahu.
Shashti vibhakti dual.
Right. Baho ki, right. So not Bahu Ukarant, right? So I can't remember that now.
उसके बाद क्या आता है? डुअल.
Gurubhyam.
गुरुवो है ना? तो
so
वो बाहु.
So Baho. I missed the visarga. I said Baho, right?
ना.
Should be Baho ho. Baho ho, right?
हमें वो आएगा. डुअल का मैं बोल रहा हूँ. डुअल का.
हमें क्या आएगा? वह आएगा.
वो आएगा. जैसे कि गुरु हो, गुरुवो हो. Similarly, बाहो हो, बाहु हो.
एक सेकेंड सर, मैं लिखूंगी इसको.
बाहु
हो.
बाहु सर्ग. That is first singular. इन क्या होगा? बाहो, उस ह में वो जोड़ा रहेगा और उसके बाद विसर्ग आएगा. बाहो हो, जैसे कि गुरुवो हो.
ओके.
सह बाह्वो हो बलेन शत्रु अजयत इति.
हाँ, शत्रून् अजयतु.
There is no fear for the mountains, even from a strong wind.
Parvat, mountains, Parvatanam, there is no fear. Bhayam.
पिछले सेंटेंस में उन्होंने आर्म्स ऐसा नहीं कहा, तो सिंगुलर भी ले सकते हैं, बाहो हो ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं.
अच्छा. अगर हम बाहु को दो मानेंगे तो बाहो और
बाहो और सिंग
बाहो हो.
तो बाहो हो. विसर्ग दोनों में आएगा, लेकिन थोड़ा चेंज रहेगा दोनों में. एक में वह नहीं रहेगा सिंगुलर में, डुअल में रहेगा हमें. बाहव. वयति वाला धातु आपको पता है, अव्ययति, वैसा वो दिखेगा.
ओके, आई मेमोराइज नहीं है, लेकिन ahvayati I know the word.
हाँ हाँ. There is no fear for the mountains even from a strong wind.
Strong wind is what is the word for strong wind?
In this context, we can take a strong as a पुष्कल. पुष्कलेन अथवा प्रभूतेन वायुना अपि.
तेन प्रभूतेन, I'm just writing it down, 1 second. प्रभूतेन वायुना अपि पर्वतानां भयं नास्ति.
ओके. अथवा यस्मात् भयं भवति येभ्यः गिरिभ्यः भयं नास्ति. फॉर माउंटेन्स देयर इज नो फियर, राइट. फॉर माउंटेन चतुर्थी कर्तुं शक्या. गिरिभ्यः पर्वतेभ्यः भयं नास्ति. प्रभुतेन पुष्कलेन वा वायुना अपि पर्वतेभ्यः गिरिभ्यः वा भयं नास्ति. Wise men get knowledge even from children.
I can try.
Yes.
Prajnaha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Correct.
Prajnaha or Prajnaha?
Both words are used for wise.
Okay. Prajnaha. Jnanam. Shishu. Children. Balaka. From children, no? From children. Balakat. Balakebhyah api labhante.
So, prajnaha balakebhyah api jnanam labhante. Since afflict my heart, O Shambhu, since afflict my heart.
Since papani mama manasam pidanti, and then Shambho, like with addressing. So Shambho papani he Shambho. So if we write Hey Shambho, or if we put Shambho with an exclamation mark, does that mean the same thing? Or do we have to put?
No, nothing like that. You can say Shambho. Hey Shambho.
Hey Shambho, Papani, Mama, Manasam.
Hridayam.
Oh, Hridayam. Pidayanti, heart. Okay.
If you are at all using manas shabda, then manaha, drutiya vibhakti singular.
Manaha.
Manaha manasi manaumsi, manaha manasi manaumsi. So manaha. So, he Shambho, papa Hridayam क्रिया
पीडयन्ति
हाँ
पीडयन्ति
तुदंती तुदंती मीन्स टू गिव अ पेन टू इन्फ्लिक्ट पेन पीड़यंती भी ठीक है लेकिन ये तुदंती मतलब पर्टिकुलरली पीड़ा दे
और पेन
इंसेजेस is insane great love for God. Insages is seen great. Okay, the great love is seen in sages for God. The great love for God is seen in sages.
Okay. Um, uh, Muni, 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 Munishu. Munishu Devaya Premam Ati Premam Ikshate.
Ikshate. Okay, it is a karmani prayog. Huh? Drishyate. So basically,
Oh, Drishyate.
So
how did it become karmani prayoga?
Is
Oh,
the love is
okay.
prema दृश्यते कुत्र दृश्यते
Drishyate.
दृश्यते केषां दृश्यते केषु दृश्यते साधुषु कस्य विषये
Sadhushu.
साधुषु देवाय अतीव प्रेम दृश्यते
Ativa Prema Drishyate. Okay.
महत् प्रेम इत्यपि महत् मतलब ग्रेट महत् प्रेम दृश्यते बर्ड्स
Ativa Prema.
हाँ अतीव अथवा
Mahat Prema.
महत् प्रेम 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 so declension would be prathama dvitiya would be same again regarding this shabda preman nakaranta word is तो प्रेम प्रेमणि प्रेमाणि तो प्रेमनी वगैरह वगैरह वैसा चलता है वो birds sit on the branches of trees
विहगाः तरूणां शाखासु उपविशन्ति
servants do not transgress the orders of their lords
I forgot the name word for can I use bhataha?
Bhataha basically the
Sevakaha.
Sevaka is good.
Sevakaha.
Or Yod.
Adeshan na Ulangati. Ulangati.
Langate. Na langhate.
Langhate.
So no
Sevaka.
Sevakaha.
Lords is I forget the word for lords.
Swami Nam, Prabhu Nam, Nam.
Prabhu Nam, Adeshan, now Langhate, Langhati. Langhante.
From her husband, she obtained permission for going to her mother's house.
सा मातुः गृहं गमनाय भर्तुः अनुज्ञां अविन्दत
अलभत. Okay. A residence in Vaikuntha is obtained by the devotee of Vishnu.
विष्णोः भक्तान् विष्णोः भक्तान् वैकुंठे 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 वसितार्थं वसितुं लभते.
Residence वासः
residence. Okay, residence in Vaikuntha. Okay, विष्णोः भक्तान् वैकुंठे वासः अर्हते.
No, they obtain, right? So
लभते.
हाँ, तो
अलभत.
ना आपको पैसिव करना है.
Okay. Okay. By the devotees of Vishnu, no? So, bhaktena, Vishnoho bhaktena, Vaikuntah vasaha alabhata. Labhyate.
Okay. विष्णोः भक्तैः
विष्णोः भक्तैः. Okay.
वैकुंठे वासः लभ्यते प्राप्यते अवाप्यते विन्दते. Okay, this is how somehow after long period of time we have completed 20th lesson. Now we will enter in 26th. We have 5 more minutes, so we can go through these nouns. So basically in next class you must know the ikaranta, ukaranta, dirgha ukaranta, rukaranta forms of all pullinga, strilinga and neuter gender words. So basically these some rules. If you memorize, it will be better than going through this. Okay. So basically matru shabda, pitru shabda are the same. Swastru shabda, dohitru shabda. If you have memorized pitru, matru shabda, you will be able to line this swastru, matru, dohitru, etc. Similarly, naptru, gantru, shrotru, gantru. These are even if you add ikara to these words, like a shrotru, it would be shrotri. Gantru, it will be gantri. So Srilinga form can be made by using dirgha ikara to pullinga noun. Like a shrota is a pullinga. Main root is shrotru. Removing that tru, you can put just ri, shrotri, gantri. वैसे ही रक्षित्री वगैरह वगैरह. क्रियापद के साथ जो ये बनता है त्रुच प्रत्यय ऐड करके, जैसे कि चलित्री, सॉरी चलिता, गंता, याता, यात्रु वगैरह शब्द है ना, जो क्रियापद को त्रुच प्रत्यय लगा करके ये शब्द बनाए जाते हैं. जैसे कि गच्छति का गंता, अथवा मेन रूट वुड बी गंत्रु, चलित्रु.
What did you say, the pratyaya that you said some pratyaya? I could not hear very well.
त्रुच प्रत्यय.
त्रुच प्रत्यय. Okay.
तो वैसे आप फॉर्म बनाते हो क्रियापद का, गंता, श्रोत, गंता, याता, दृष्टा वगैरह वगैरह. तो उसको ये यदि लगा देते हो तो गंत्री, श्रोत्री, यात्री वगैरह वगैरह शब्द बनता है. ठीक है. उसके बाद श्वश्रु शब्द है. श्वश्रु शब्द स्त्रीलिंग दीर्घ उकारांत है ना, वो भी आप याद कर लीजिएगा. वधु शब्द यदि आपको याद है तो ये डिफिकल्ट नहीं जाएगा. वधु, वध्वौ, वध्वः, वधुम, वध्वौ, वधु. वधु शब्द याद कर लीजिएगा. मति शब्द है वो भी आपको लगभग याद ही, हरि शब्द यदि याद है तो उसमें सिर्फ ये वाले फॉर्म्स ऐड करने हैं, मत्तेई, मत्याहा, मत्याहा, मत्याम। बाकी हरि शब्द सेम ही है, इसके जैसा ही है। केवल मति शब्द स्त्रीलिंग है और ये चार उसमें चेंजेस है। और इसमें एक द्वितीय बहुवचन में हमेशा रहता है स्त्रीलिंग में, हरि का हरीन ऐसा था, यहाँ मति ही ऐसा बनेगा। धेनु शब्द अल्सो लाइक लगभग गुरु शब्द के जैसा, लेकिन यहाँ थोड़ा चेंज आपको मिलेगा कि द्वितीय बहुवचन में वहां गुरुन होता है, यहाँ धेनु ऐसा बनेगा। और यहाँ फिर से चार चेंजेस, बाकी पुल्लिंग जैसा ही चलता है ये भी। गुरवे धेनवे, गुरोहो धेनोहो, गुरोहो धेनोहो, गुरौ धेनवो। लेकिन ये चार चेंजेस यदि याद रखते हो तो बेसिकली देयर इज नो मोर चेंज। मातृ शब्द you have already memorized मातृ शब्द. With this we will go with this noun. Anglabhumihi. Anglabhumi means England. Anuraktihi, love. Kantihi, splendor or the light. Kirtihi, fame. Kritihi, action. Gatihi, the mode of walking or going or gait. Jatihi, caste or kind. Dushkritihi, wicked action. Duhita, Duhitru is the word. Duhita means daughter. Dhrutihi, courage. Dhenuhu, a cow. Nanandru, Nananda means husband's sister. Nitihi, politics. Prakritihi, ministry or the disposition or nature. प्रकृति के अलग अलग अर्थ हैं. प्रतिकृति, प्रतिकृति ही मतलब इमेज, अ कॉपी और कॉपी. प्रीति ही अफेक्शन, सेटिस्फैक्शन. बुद्धि ही टैलेंट. भक्ति ही डिवोशन. भूति ही प्रॉस्पेरिटी. भूमि ही ग्राउंड, लैंड, द अर्थ. मातृ, माता मीन्स मदर. मुक्ति ही एब्सोल्यूशन और द liberation. मूर्ति ही an image or idol. यातृ, याता, याता means husband's brother's wife. ओके, उसको याता बोला जाता है. रति ही pleasure, the wife of god of love. रात्रि ही night. वधू, a young woman, a daughter in law. वसति ही a place of residence. वृत्ति ही profession, avocation. Shruti hi, hearing. Hindu religious book, the Vedas, okay. And Shwashruhu, mother-in-law. Sukritihi, a virtuous or good action. Shrushtihi, creation. Stutihi, praise. Smritihi, remembrance, Hindu law book, or Smriti means Manusmriti. Swastru means sister. Swasa means sister. Anglah, the England man. Anglah means the Englishman, the England वाला, रहने वाला. आध्यानः मतलब meditation. आध्यानः, आध्यानम actually. आश्रमः, hermitage. ऋष्यशृंगः, son-in-law of Dasharatha. Elapurah, this we will do in again next class. Probably the meeting will end. So day after tomorrow we will meet